Good days, ma'am. I am Joyce Cementerio from Barangay Bangkal, Tigbawan, 24 years of age. I'm a single parent. I know how to cook, to take care of your child,
What else?
clean the house.
What else? All the household chores, can you?
Yes.
Okay. So you said that you're a single parent.
Yes, ma'am.
How many children you have?
1,
How old now?
7 months.
Only 7 months
Yes.
old. Boy, girl.
Girl.
Is it? You still feed her breastfeeding or bottle feed?
Battlefield.
Okay. So anytime you can leave her.
Yes.
How about the father? I mean your husband.
No.
What's the work?
No.
What do you mean no?
I am not communicated.
You mean you were already separated?
Yes.
For how many years already? Since you were pregnant?
Yes.
So you mean to say no more communication, no financial support?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why you decided to go to abroad.
Abroad.
Okay. So if ever you can go, who will take care of your daughter?
My mother.
So your own
Yes.
mother, so she will be in good hands.
ma'am.
Okay. So as a mother, you can take care of children,
Yes.
even a newborn baby.
Yes.
Are you willing?
Yes.
So in Hong Kong, are you willing to take her?
Yes, I take her as my own.
Okay. And you said you can also do some other household chores.
Yes, ma'am.
Cooking?
Yes, I know. But a little bit.
In your house, who did the cooking?
Yes.
In your house, who is doing the cooking? You are the one.
Yes.
So now, where are you staying?
Barangay Bangkal.
With your parents.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a work?
No?
So where did you get money to support your daughter now?
For my brother.
Your brother is the one
Yes.
supporting you. So that's
Yes.
why you tried hard
Yes,
to work
ma'am.
abroad.
Yes.
Okay. So you can also do washing clothes.
Yes, I know.
Okay. What is your... Come again?
Everything.
All the household chores.
Yes.
Okay. But you learn more cooking, especially
Yes, ma'am.
Chinese dishes. You can follow instructions in cooking.
Yes.
Okay. So what is your highest educational attainment?
College level.
What course?
IT.
What is IT?
Information technology.
Okay, so you was not able to graduate.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Because of financial problem.
Okay, so how long are you going to work abroad?
2 years. I finished my contract.
Of course.
Yes.
And if given a chance, opportunity to work for more than 2 years,
Okay.
no problem.
I'll do
with
no
you.
problem.
Okay. Your health, any problem?
No.
So anytime you are ready to go?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what you can promise to the employer if they will hire you as their worker there abroad?
If you get to me, ma'am, I promise I do my job well
What else?
and I do everything as I can. Thank you, ma'am.